What's going on? So I decided to take a little trip today, and it's a trip that I've made a video about before, but I decided to come back just because I wanted to get some better footage, take some better photos, and yeah, so here we are once again, Stokes Castle, Austin, Nevada. JD is going to fly his drone up through it and out the top, or so he claims. I think he's gonna crash. I kind of hope he crashes, to be honest, and I'm pretty sure you guys do too. So if he crashes, we're gonna submit this to Ken Heron again, and yeah. So you think you're gonna?
I'm not gonna crash. Not gonna happen.
He's gonna crash.
No way.
Oh yeah, absolutely. So we're gonna do that and some other things. We're gonna visit a cemetery and yeah, so that's what we're doing this video. So stick around. And there he goes.
Oh, it's drifting back.
Oh, look at that, he made it.
Dude, it's just another day for me, man. That's all this is. Just another day.
Yeah, we should try to bring it back down now. Back through.
I will. I'm gonna do a circle around it, and I'm gonna get a rocket off of it, and then I'll bring it right back down.
Okay, do it. Let's see.
So
That is an utter disappointment. I was really hoping that he would crash. Not because like I wanted his stuff to get damaged or anything. I just, you know, just kind of wanted to see. Yeah. So it is what it is. Oh wait, here's where you're gonna mess your drone up.
I'm too old for this shit.
Like, as much as I don't want you to hurt yourself, I want you to fall.
Fall and don't break anything.
Yeah, fall and don't hurt yourself.
I don't want to fall because I will break something.
I want you to fall. Oh, now just run down the hill. Run! Ah! All right, so here we are. We are currently still in Austin, Nevada, and there's two cemeteries, one across the street from the other. One says, what does that say, F and AM. The other one says Calvary. So we're gonna check them both out because they're both old school, old-timey little cemeteries. So we're gonna check them out. So yeah, just coming down here. I'm not even in the cemetery yet, and my wife came down here and kind of looked, and she saw some little memorials that are off-site. So I came down here, took some shots, and so now I'll show you. kind of weird. Like, why is it not in the cemetery itself? That's pretty cool looking. But yeah, it's kind of weird. Why wouldn't it actually be in the cemetery? Are they that old? Who knows? So let's get inside the first cemetery, see what we can find. All right, so that's going to conclude. Oh, you want to hold it for me, huh? Okay, he wants to hold it for me. That's going to conclude the cemeteries and Stokes Castle in Austin. We're going to see if we can hit up Sand Mountain now and maybe stop and take a pee in Middlegate. Don't know. But yeah, we'll take you with us. See what happens.